Hi everyone, I'm back again with our second lesson that we had with Mrs. Williamson on sign language. Today she reviewed some of the signs from last week and then she taught us some others. The first thing she did was she came in and said how happy she was to be back, and so that was exciting. Mrs. Jones' class and my class, Mrs. Sonka's class, were able to learn a few new signs. The first one she taught us is the sign more. You take your two fingers together and almost pinch your fingers and then come together. More. So if you want more food, more playtime, more reading, more of anything. The next one she taught us was help, and she shared that everyone needs a little help sometimes. So if you take your palm out and put your fist with your thumb up, help. I need your help. In addition to that, let's see here, she shared with us one we were familiar with already, friend. She said you get your little fingers ready like this. Friend. You are my friend. Let's play outside. She also shared that sometimes a teacher or a parent might ask you or say something like, boys and girls, it's time for us to get to work. And on work, you take one fist out and you take the other fist down. Work. Kind of like you're building, working on a project. Work. Work. Then the last one she shared with us was a bit confusing because it was very similar to one from last week. She shared with us the word good, which you take your hand to your lips and you have your other hand palm up and you say good. A lot of us said, well, that's pretty similar to thank you, and she said, yes, it is. Good uses both hands. Thank you uses one. So those are very confusing and you have to be really careful with that. Kind of like with yellow with one hand and play with both. So those were some things we learned today. Keep practicing those at home. It's really helping so that everyone in the class can effectively communicate, and I've noticed we're using it at recess, we're using it during our reading time and math time, and it's been very effective. So thank you for your help.